In this video, I'm going to show you how to download PowerPoint on PC or laptop. First, you want to go to Google and you want to open here and search for the Microsoft PowerPoint. So once you go here, it's going to show you that you're going to have to download the Microsoft 365 software. So to download it, just like go ahead and search Microsoft 365, and right here you're gonna see like sign in button, and you're gonna have to have a subscription. So let me just sign in. Here you're gonna put your email and everything. I already have it downloaded, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like this. So once you download it, you should be able to go inside this software, and it will already have PowerPoint installed. So when you search PowerPoint, it should already show up like this. So basically what you need to do is install the Microsoft 365, and it will automatically install PowerPoint for you. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.